Hello everyone, I'm Simran Dhawan. I hope you liked my previous video. Now today in this video I will explain the structure, pattern and strategy of CSIR UGC NET Physical Science examination. Now paper consists of 200 marks. Total marks is equal to 200. Total question in the examination is 75 and you have to attempt 55 questions from 75. Now, what is the basic structure of the examination? Structure has been provided by CSIR. So, paper consists of 3 parts: part A, part B, and part C. Okay, now part A consists of 20 questions. Total questions in part A, 20. Total questions in part B, 25. And total questions in part C is 30. So, questions to attempt. From part A, you have to attempt 15 questions. From part B, you have to attempt 20 questions. And from part C, you have to attempt 20 questions. Okay. From part A carries 2 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. Total marks is equal to 30. And part B carries 3.5 marks. Total marks is equal to 70. And part C carries 5 marks. Total marks is equal to 100. If you attempt one wrong question from part A, there will be negative marking of 0.5. If you attempt a wrong question from part B, there will be a negative marking of 0.875. And similarly, if you attempt a one wrong question from part C, then there will be a negative marking of 1.5 marks. So, this is the basic structure of the examination. Now, I will tell you the expected cutoff. Expected cutoff is different for different years. If we analyze the previous year cutoffs, we will came to know that for general category, it's just an estimation. It is not always sure. For general category, for lecturership, you must have 90 marks out of 200. For JRF, you must have 100 marks. It is just an expected cutoff. It is not sure always. It will be decreased. It is sometimes decreased, sometimes it will increase. And for SC, BC categories, you will decrease 5 marks, 10 marks from this cutoff. Now, I will tell you the core part. What is the basic what you have to do in part A, part B, and part C. Basically, part A consists of C set. In C set, you have to attempt reasoning as well as quantitative aptitude. So, part A, 20 questions. How many to attempt? 15. It is a C set. Consists of reasoning and quant. So, you must have to have a command on C set. So, part B. Now, part B and part C follow that. Part B. Basically, part B is a core part. And part C is advanced part. Now I am going to write the similar papers that are covering part B as well as part C. First of all is quantum mechanics, electronics plus experimental methods, mathematical physics, particle physics, quantum, electronics, classical mechanics. Thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. And the last one is EMT, electromagnetic theory. These papers are similar to paper B as part A, part B as well as C. And from the previous year question paper analysis, these papers consist of 30 to 35 marks depending upon the weightage of examination. Okay, so as these papers are familiar to part B as well as C, so you must have a proper command on these papers. So it is a first strategy that these papers are coming in part B as well as C. So you have to be a proper command on that papers. So now basically these 6 papers are major portion that are covering the examination of CSIR NET. Now part C, only papers in part C are, there are 3 papers in part C. First one is solid state physics, part C, only part C. Number 1, solid state physics. Solid atomic and molecular physics, nuclear and particle physics. Like there will be a temptation of 15 to 20 marks in examination. So basically these papers are minor part, but you can't neglect this, because sometimes question come from these paper is very easy. So if you are like going to leave these papers, you must have to have a knowledge what comes in the examination of these papers. Okay, the important thing you must have to keep in mind is that just focus on the papers that you know, that you will attempt numericals from these papers. Number 2, you must have a conceptual clarity of the papers. Number 3, prepare minor as well as major portions of the question that had been asked in previous year examination. Thank you so much. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.